Prepare na guys ha. Marating na si Margo. Ina, abangan natin ang birthday girl.
Surprise!
Sabay kita lang sa kuwan. Sabay natin ang happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, model. Lanjak ka.
Para kay Margo. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Margo!
Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, na-surprise ka ba? Na-surprise ka po? Ayan, isang malaking happy birthday, Vivian. Ayan, pwede na po tayo kumupo. Pwede na pong umupo. Ayan, so, before tayo mag-start ng ating program, ayan, I would like to introduce ourselves po. My name is Ricaela, one of the guest experience leader here at McDonald's Catarman, together with my party host, Ate Danica, and we will be hosting for Margo's 7th birthday. Ayan, kids, gusto niyo bang mag-play tayo? Gusto niyo bang maglaro? Ayan, ayan, lahat po ng kids, lahat po ng mga bata, punta po dito sa front. Kuya, sali ka dito na dito, Mir.
Ayan, sabi mo, Jaja?
Yay!
Sino yung hindi nakaupo? Ayan, may sobra. Ayan si ate kasi hindi ka nakasingit ka lang. Ayan. Okay, sit down ka muna ate. Thank you. Bawi ka na lang next game. Ayan, tapos si ate. Thank you. Bawi ka na lang mamaya sa next game. Tayo na po.
Tatlo na lang.
Ayan, po na.
Ignoring you. Yes, I am, baby.
Ayan, baba.
Showdown na, showdown.
Ayan, thank you po.
Champion, ang easy na.
Ayan, bibigyan ko po ng prize.
Champion si easy ah.
Bibigyan ko po yung prize. At saka mag-picture po, picture. Picture po, mami. Sinabi ko po, happy, dito kayo mag-jump. Tapos kapag birthday, dito, okay?
Nanggugulo si Jaja.
birthday. Ayan, kung sino yung last na tumalon, siya yung out, okay? O, try muna. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy! Dito yung happy. Dito yung happy. Wag pagdyaman. Tignan niyo sa Derika. Pag sinabi na Derika na happy. Grimace! Hi, po!
Ayan ha. Jollibee. Jollibee.
Lahat ng kids, punta dito kayo sa France.
Ayan na si Jollibee. Ay, si Dada. Ay, si Dada, oh. Ay, si Dada, oh. Oh. Baka hindi makita yan. Mayupik yan.
Ayan, lahat ng kids, punta kayo dito sa France. Si Dada, si Diba. Si Marco lang muna. Si Marco lang muna. Smile tayo kay Daddy. Wish mo na wish. Ayan. Palakpakan naman po natin si Marco. Ayan. So this time po, ibibigay ko po yung mic kay Lolo at ipapasa niyo po sa kanila para po mag-wish.
Yes, of course. Ay, di nasabot. Ang wish ko sa'yo is to become a Miss Universe. Good health and be good girl.
Nothing but a special time for me. Hey! When I came back home, I did. Hey, you know what time? My birthday was today. It's my birthday now, and I already told this on my birthday because everyone just came here, and I just turned 7. and I love you. Everybody was here. Even though you are my friends lang.
Si Friends lang.
You're all my family because we are my cousins, my family. We all have the same blood.
We have the same blood.
Comes here. And thank you.
Parang pa Miss Universe, ah.